Hello again, this is Rob Hess again on the Navigator Islander. Yeah, so now we're about probably 10-12 miles offshore. I don't know if you can see it in the distance, but that's Catalina Island out there. I kept on this course for probably a couple of more hours. I would actually be across the channel. Haven't done it yet, but I'm planning on doing it hopefully soon. So yeah, the wind is still hasn't really come up a lot. It's probably 13, 14. There's some stronger gusts. I still haven't raised the sail. Not sure I'll do it, but I might. So what you can see over here now is that there's no more land. Excuse the shakiness on the stern here. This is north. LA is back there someplace with the harbor, but it's kind of hazy today, and in any case we have pretty much lost sight of land, which is always kind of an elating feeling when you're out here, and you know, it's a lot of ocean, a lot of water, very few boats. Actually there's one right over there crossing my stern, a little motor boat probably heading back to Long Beach or LA Harbor. But that's about it. There really isn't anybody else out here. Looking right now. We're still going, well, sort of south-southwest. And yeah, this is one of my favorite spots out here. It's actually a lot of whales you can see if you're lucky enough. I haven't seen whales today, but I just saw some, I think some tuna jumping or something like that, which is kind of neat. And the tiller tamer is still engaged. Thing is that because the mainsail is a little bit overpowered now, there's a little extra pressure on the rudder, which results in some weather helm, and I have to make more adjustments to the tiller tamer than I normally would, so I'll probably have to reef down soon and establish some peace and quiet again. Right now you can see the tiller wants to move a little bit when the swells hit the bow. Still works, but not as well as when you have the proper sail area up there. And like I said, I'm a little bit overpowered right now, but I've been too lazy to reef down, and I'm not sure how long this stronger wind's going to last, so we'll see how we're going to do. But sea state's still very manageable. There's some white caps, but not many. And I'm going to lower the camera so you can get a better idea of what it looks like. Alright, so that's about it. Actually, since I'm on here, one thing I wanted to point out, that when you're with the tiller tamer engaged, what you can do is, by shifting your weight, basically you change the trim of the boat. And this is true for any boat, of course, but especially on a yawl where you're basically balanced and you can sail with the tiller tamer, you can use your body weight to make slight changes. If I step on the windward rail over here, the boat's going to have a tendency to head upwind. And on the opposite, if I hike out a little bit more over here and bring my weight backwards to the stern, the boat will have a tendency to bear off a little bit. You can almost, yeah, it's actually happening right now. So that's kind of neat. Instead of using the tiller to make those course changes, you can use your body weight. It also kind of gives you an opportunity, you know, to move about the boat a little bit, change positions, and which increases comfort, at least to me. And that's one of the things that I learned sort of just by doing it, is that, you know, body weight in a dinghy is very key. All right, so that's it for now, and I might be back later.